Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to make pork and chicken and pineapple tacos. First, you're going to need it's about like 5 pounds of pork. And you're just going to cut it as thin as possible. Ensure your knife is sharp too, so you can get it nice and thin. And yeah, just going to slice the pork. Next, we're going to slice the chicken into very thin strips. This is one way to cut the chicken. I'm pretty sure there's an easier way, but this is the way I do it. So you want your chicken and your pork very thin. And you're going to place it in a bowl. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to add in, the spices. So we're going to add 3 teaspoons of pepper. Next, we're going to add 3 teaspoons of oregano. 3 teaspoons of garlic powder. 2 teaspoons of cumin, 5 tablespoons of brown sugar, and last, we're going to add about 8 tablespoons of smoked paprika. This is probably 10, but 8 to 10. Mix it all together just for a couple seconds. And one more thing, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of Sprit, and we're going to add a 1/4 cup, exactly everyone, pineapple juice. We're going to thoroughly mix the ingredients together. And we're going to let it rest for 2 hours minimum. 8 hours would be the best, but if you're hungry like me, 2 hours is fine. So let's put this in the fridge. And now what we're going to do is get a pineapple, cut the bottom off, and I'm sticking this little skewer. I made this, I bent a little skewer bar, but you know what I mean. So I stuck the pineapple through. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to alternate. 2 pork, 1 chicken, 2 chicken, 1 pork. I'm just going to alternate it. But since I have more pork, I'm going to do 2-3 porks, then add a piece of chicken on this skewer and just keep layering it up. And this, if you have gloves, wear gloves, because I was washing my hands for like 30 minutes to get the red paprika off my hands. And when you're almost done, you got to push the meat down and get the second part of that pineapple and just push it together like a gigantic sandwich like we have here. And what we're going to do now is we're going to put this in the oven for 1.5 hours to 2 hours at about 325. Put that away. In about 1.5 hours, I checked on it. It was done in 1.5 hours, and it looks like this. Nice and juicy. And all you have to do is slice it down the side. And there's one more thing you can do too if you want to make some other stuff, but this is my last step. Put it in the pan, and some of that extra sauce that dripped off on the bottom, I'm going to pour it right back on top. And this, everyone, this tasted amazing. Sorry you couldn't see me eat it. I made some tacos, and the next day I made a taco salad. Have a great night, everyone. Take care, and goodbye.